Hey everybody, I'm Ben from Wawasee Plaza, uptown Syracuse, and we're working on something pretty darn cool with lighting our buildings at night. Take a look. So around all of Wawasee Plaza we installed these LED lights, and it goes clear around the building here. Our goal is to get all of the properties uptown this way. I'll show you here. This is in uptown Syracuse, Indiana. Kind of go down the 13 side of the building as well. We've had these lights up on this side for about a month or so, and then we just had them installed on our next door neighbors over here. This is Bass Audiology, and we just had these lights installed about a week and a half ago or so, and they're now on a photo cell. They look pretty darn awesome. They don't come around the back as it's not seen, but it does go all the way on this side, on the front of our building, and then on the back side as well. So that's what we're at right now with getting all the lights done uptown. It's been something I've been trying to get done for going on 20 years. It's finally happening. So it's pretty darn cool to see what it looks like at night. But anyway, I'm Ben, and thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video if you want to follow and learn more about what I do.